Master Navamsha calculation, quickest and easiest method. The term Navamsha comes from Sanskrit. Nav means 9, Amsha means division. So Navamsha is simply the 9th division of a zodiac sign. Key takeaways about Navamsha, D9, 9th Bhava, which is Dharma Bhava, house of righteousness, wisdom, and divine grace, Vishnu Sthana. Navamsha equals 9th division of a sign, naturally tied to Dharma Phala, karmic outcomes. Spiritual and karmic indicator. Quantifies good-bad deeds from past lives affecting this incarnation. Understanding the Navamsha division. Each Rashi, zodiac sign, equals 30 degrees. Each Rashi is divided into 9 equal parts. 30 degrees divided by 9 equals 3 degrees, 20 minutes per Navamsha. Reflecting it mathematically, convert 30 degrees into minutes. 30 degrees equals 30 times 60 minutes equals 1800 minutes. Divide by 9 Navamsha divisions. 1800 minutes divided by 9 yields 200 minutes per Navamsha. Convert back into degrees and minutes. 200 divided by 60 equals 3, quotient. Remainder is 20. This gives 3 degrees and 20 minutes. Navamsha segments in a sign here. We have divided the 9 Navamshas into 3 intervals. These intervals help determine the Navamsha range in which a planet falls based on its longitude. If a planet's degree is 10 degrees or less, it falls within the 1st, 2nd, or 3rd Navamsha. If a planet's degree is greater than 10 degrees and up to 20 degrees, it has crossed the 3rd Navamsha and falls within the 4th, 5th, or 6th Navamsha, 6th Navamsha. If a planet's degree is greater than 20 degrees, it has crossed the 6th Navamsha and falls within the 7th, 8th, or 9th Navamsha. Recognizing this pattern simplifies mental calculations and enhances quick analysis. This table breaks down the Navamsha divisions of a sign into 3-degree 20-minute segments and correlates them with multiples of 3. It's a handy way to link each Navamsha with a simple numerical pattern. Also, notice that first row ends with 20 minutes, like 3 degrees 20 minutes, 13 degrees 20 minutes, and 23 degrees 20 minutes, while second row ends with 40 minutes. Understanding how the counting starts in D9. There are 4 types of signs: fiery, earthy, airy, watery. If we list the zodiac signs in a horizontal sequence, they will naturally align with their respective elements: fire, earth, air, and water. Each element follows a movable, fixed dual pattern. The movable signs, Kara Rashi, are 1st, 4th, 7th, and 10th. Counting begins from these movable signs within their respective elements. In fiery element, counting begins from movable sign Aries. In earthy element, counting begins from movable sign Capricorn. Similarly, in airy, it begins with Libra, and in watery, counting begins with Cancer sign. The first step is to determine the starting point for counting. In this case, the ascendant is in Cancer, which belongs to the water element. Therefore, the counting will start from Cancer. Step 2. Find the Navamsha of Cancer. The degree of Cancer is 27 degrees 22 minutes. Use the multiples of 3 rule. We recall our 3 times 9 equals 27 rule from the table. Since 27 degrees falls in the 9th Navamsha, any degree between 26 degrees 40 minutes and 30 degrees 0 minutes belongs to the 9th Navamsha. Step 3. Final calculation. Finding the Navamsha sign. Now that we know the planet is in the 9th Navamsha, let's determine which sign it falls into in the Navamsha D9 chart. Formula: take the Navamsha number, 9. Subtract 1, 9 minus 1 equals 8. Add this to the base sign number, Cancer equals 4. 4 plus 8 equals 12, which corresponds to Pisces in the zodiac. So a planet at 27 degrees 22 minutes. Cancer in the birth chart falls in the Pisces Navamsha in the D9 chart. Calculating Navamsha Saturn, 21 degrees 47. Step 1. Saturn is in Cancer. Counting starts from Cancer. Step 2. Use the multiples of 3 rule. 3 times 7 equals 21. Saturn goes to 7th Navamsha. Step 3. Final calculation. Take the Navamsha number 7. Subtract 1. 7 minus 1 equals 6. Add this to the base sign number, Cancer equals 4. 4 plus 6 equals 10, Capricorn. Calculating Navamsha Mars, 16 degrees, 22 minutes. Step 1. Mars is in fiery sign, Leo, counting starts from Aries. Step 2. Use the multiples of 3 rule. 3 times 5 equals 15. Mars goes to 5th Navamsha. Step 4. Final calculation. Subtract 1 from 5 Navamsha gives 4. Add 4 to Aries. First Mars goes to Leo Navamsha. Calculating Navamsha Sun, 4 degrees 7 minutes. Step 1. Sun is in the watery sign Scorpio. Counting starts from Cancer. Step 2. Use multiple of 3 rule. 3 times 1 equals 3. It is past 3 degrees 20 minutes. So Sun goes to 2nd Navamsha. Step 3. Subtract 1 from Navamsha and add 4 gives 5, Leo. Calculating Navamsha Mercury, 13 degrees 13 minutes. Step 1. Mercury is in the watery sign Scorpio. Counting starts from Cancer. Step 2. Multiple of 3 rule. 3 times 4 equals 12. Mercury goes to 4th Navamsha. Step 3. Subtracting 1 from Navamsha gives 3, adding 3 to Cancer. Rashi number 4 gives 7, which is Libra. Calculating Navamsha Venus, 21 degrees 0 minutes. Let's do faster. Step 1. Fiery sign. Counting starts from Aries. Step 2. Multiple of 3 gives 7 as Navamsha. Step 3. 7-1 add to Aries gives Libra. Calculating Navamsha Rahu, 9 degrees 12 minutes. Step 1. Fiery sign. Counting starts from Aries. Step 2. Use multiple of 3. It gives 3rd Navamsha. Step 3. Final calculation. 3 minus 1 plus 1 gives 3, which is Gemini. Step 4. Means Ketu will go to Sagittarius because 3 plus 6 signs equals 9. Calculating Navamsha Moon, 5 degrees 35 minutes. Step 1. Earthy sign. Counting starts from Capricorn. Step 2. It goes to 2nd Navamsha. Step 3. 2 minus 1 plus 10 equals 11 is Aquarius. Calculating Navamsha Jupiter, 15 degrees 0 minutes. Step 1. Earthy sign Taurus. Counting starts from Capricorn. Step 2. 3 times 5 equals to 15th. Jupiter goes to 5th Navamsha. Step 3. 10 plus 5 minus 1 equals 14. 14 divided by 12 gives 2 remainder Taurus.